subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Huawei Nova 8 SE 5G phone back in November last year, the company has now launched the 4G version of it in China with similar design. Talking about the specifications, the Huawei Nova 8 SE 4G features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and it supports in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Kirin 710A chipset, paired with Mali G51 MP4 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. In terms of camera, the Nova 8 SE 4G supports a quad camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner that houses a 64MP main camera with a 1.9 aperture, plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 120° field of view, plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 16MP selfie camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by 3800 mAh battery that supports 66W super fast charging. On the software front, the handset runs on Harmony OS 2 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also includes thermal heat dissipation system that keeps the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.5 by 74.8 by 7.5mm and it weighs around 180 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Huawei Nova 8 SE 4G has been priced in China at 2099 Chinese yuan, and it will be available for purchase in the country in Magic Night Black, Gradient Sky, Moon Silver and Deep Sea Blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Huawei Nova 8 SE 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.